The JBL Cinema SB510 soundbar is designed to enhance your TV audio with deeper bass and clearer dialogue compared to built-in television speakers. When paired with a Hisense TV, the soundbar can deliver a more immersive home entertainment experience using HDMI ARC, optical audio, or Bluetooth connections. The HDMI ARC method is usually the easiest and provides the best sound quality because it allows the TV and soundbar to communicate through a single cable. Try these. Step 1. Locate the HDMI ARC port on the back of your Hisense TV. Step 2. Connect one end of an HDMI cable to the TV's ARC port and the other end to the soundbar's HDMI ARC input. Step 3. Turn on the TV and soundbar, then select the HDMI ARC source on the soundbar. Step 4. Open your TV's audio settings and set the sound output to HDMI ARC or external speakers. Step 5. Play audio from the TV to confirm sound is coming through the JBL soundbar.